Hari Om. Pranams to our Gurudev, Swami Sachidananda Ji Maharaj. Today is Children's Day, the birthday of our first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru, who was fondly called Chacha Nehru by children. We celebrate Children's Day on his birthday every year. Today is also Diwali, a day earmarked for the victory of good over evil, light over darkness, and to prove truth alone triumphs. On this day, while we wish you all a happy Children's Day and safe Diwali, we present you a short variety entertainment to lift your morale in this pandemic period.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसराध्याय गुरुपुत्रपरित्रात्रे गुरुपाकण्ठकण्टकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि ग्रन्थगीताय ग्रन्थगेयाय ग्रन्थान्तरात्मने गीतलीनाय गीताश्रयाय गीतवाद्यपटवे ध्येयचरिताय गायकवराय गन्धर्वप्रियकृपे गायगादीनविग्रहाय गङ्गाजलप्रणयवते गौरीस्तनन्दनाय गौरीहृदयनन्दनाय गौरभानुसुदाय गौरीगणेश्वराय गौरीप्रणयाय गौरीप्रवणाय गौरभावाय धीमहि गोसहस्राय गोवर्धनाय गोपगोपाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். சச்சிதானந்த ஜோதி நிகேதன் பன்னாட்டு பள்ளியில் பயின்று கொண்டிருக்கிற மாணவ செல்வங்களே, உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் ஹாப்பி சில்ட்ரன்ஸ் டே. குழந்தைகள் தின விழாவை நாம் காணொளியாக கொண்டாட வேண்டிய நிலைமை ஏற்பட்டிருக்கிறது. COVID-19 காரணமாக யூ ஆர் ஆல் தேர் இன் யுவர் ஹோம். இருந்தாலும் யூ ஆர் அட்டெண்டிங் ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸஸ், யூ ஆர் லேர்னிங் தி லைஃப் ஃப்ரம் யுவர் பேரண்ட்ஸ். குழந்தைகள் தினம் என்பது நம்முடைய முன்னாள் பிரதம மந்திரி நேரு அவர்களுடைய பிறந்த தினத்தை ஒவ்வொரு ஆண்டும் நவம்பர் 14ஆம் தேதி கொண்டாடுகிறோம். இதில் இருந்து நாம் என்ன கற்றுக்கொள்ள வேண்டும் என்று கேட்டால், நம்முடைய பிறந்த தினத்தை நாம் கொண்டாடக்கூடாது, எதிர்காலத்தில் உலகமே கொண்டாடும்படி வாழ வேண்டும் என்ற ஒரு நம்பிக்கை மனதில் விதித்துக் கொள்ள வேண்டும். நல்ல நல்ல பிள்ளைகளை நம்பி இந்த நாடே இருக்குது தம்பி என்று ஒரு திரைப்பாடல் இருக்கும். நீங்கள் நல்ல மாணவ செல்வங்களாக வளர வேண்டும் என்று எம்பெருமான் சச்சிதானந்த பெருமானுடைய அருளாசியும் நம்முடைய சேர்மன் போன்றதற்குரிய திரு ராமசாமி ஐயா அவர்களுடைய வாழ்த்துக்களையும், பள்ளியில் பணியாற்றுகிற அகடமிக் அட்வைசர், முதல்வர், துணை முதல்வர், ஏனைய ஆசிரியர் பெருமக்களுடைய நல்வாழ்த்துக்களையும் உங்களுக்கு தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். மாணவ பருவத்திலே இருந்து 5Cயை நீங்கள் வளர்த்துக்கொள்ள வேண்டும் என்று நான் அடிக்கடி கூறுகிறேன். 5C என்ன சார் என்று கேட்டால், ஃபர்ஸ்ட் C இஸ் த கேரக்டர். Character is important for life. There is a saying in English, if wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If health is lost, something is lost. If character is lost, everything is lost. First C, character முக்கியம். ரெண்டாவது C, courage. Courage means your competency or your self-confidence to interact with people. You have to interact with everybody with confidence, same time with politeness. துணிச்சலோடு நாம் செயல்பட வேண்டும். We should not have inferiority complex or superiority complex. We should have open-mindedness. Courage. அதற்கடுத்தது காம்பிடென்சி. வாட் இஸ் காம்பிடென்சி? காம்பிடென்சி இஸ் நத்திங் பட் யுவர் எபிலிட்டி, யுவர் கேப்பபிலிட்டி. அதை வளர்த்து கொண்டே இருக்க வேண்டும். எல்லாத்திலையும் படிக்கணும், திறமையை வளர்த்து கொள்ள வேண்டும். முனை இருக்கிற ஊசிதான் தைக்கும், முனைப்பிருக்கிற முயற்சி தான் ஜெயிக்கும். அதற்கடுத்தது கமிட்மெண்ட். அடுத்த சி கமிட்மெண்ட் என்ன சார்னா, வாட் எவர் யூ சே யூ ஷுட் ப்ராக்டிஸ். Commitment is something internally you are taking an oath to practice good character as well as good manners. அதற்கடுத்த C, creativity. Fifth C is the creativity. Creativity is the ability to convert your imagination into reality. You should become scientist, you should become an inventor. அதுக்கு வேணும். அப்போ character, courage, competency, commitment and creativity. With 5C you can change the world. If you should have the 5C, you should have the blessings of the 6th C. What is the 6th C? 6th C is the creator. Who is the creator? Nature is our creator. Parents are our creator. God is our creator. Teachers are our creator. All the elders, they are guiding us. They are all our creator. Be gratitude to your parents, teachers, elders and to the noble leaders of this country. Wish you happy Children's Day. Be happy every day. If you want to be happy, spread happiness. Make your parents happy by doing good deeds, by being good person. Think good, do good, be good. Wish you happy Children's Day.
a happy song.
Music dancing in the night, we can get so high for no reason, no, don't stop. Now's the time, take it to the top. It's a sweet, a happy song. Sing all night long, lay your problems on the floor, clap your hands and sing once more.
Everybody, let's go to the king. We can dance there, dance and eat an ice cream. Everybody, dancing on and on. Try to do it, sing a happy song.
Time to dance, it's time to sing, sing a happy song. Happy song. Yo, yo, yo. Let's go, boys, come with me and sing. Sing a happy song.
Everybody, dancing on and on. Try to do it, sing a happy song. Everybody.
Yo, yo.
Hari Om, I am Harshnial, PS of grade 9D from Sachidananda Jyotiniketan International School, Metupalayam. The mid of November is a very special occasion for us. Every year we celebrate 14th November as Children's Day. We celebrate it because it's the birth anniversary of our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. His bond and fondness to the children are legendary. His personal life has set an excellent example for the future of youngsters, parents and teachers of our country. In this era of this technology, we do all have complaints and mostly lack of time. Nehruji proves that all these barriers have been built by our own minds. In 1928, he was studying work of Congress and called for a Purna Swaraj and was a hopeful spark. And his 10-year-old daughter Indra was studying at Mussoorie. However, the great man manages to shape the mind of his young daughter. The letter that he wrote to his daughter, which we know as Letter from a Father to His Daughter, which gave us a dynamic leader Indira Gandhi. Even though his imprisonment term, he manages to pen down one of the finest books written ever, The Discovery of India. All these examples are enough to make the life of youngsters and parents and teachers beautiful. Nehruji's life encounter can show parents, teachers and thinkers to shape the mind of young and lead them to greatness. The bitter truth of today. Today, the children of our country are suffering without basic health care and education. On this occasion, I would like to tell you an alarming data. In the Asian continent, India is the leading country when it comes to the employment of child labor. By not making an effort to stop child labor and by not making proper education to all the children, we entrust our future and their future into darkness. When each one of us make a concrete effort to stop this evil, only then we can make India a grateful country and a success country that Nehruji and Mahatma Gandhi has envisioned. To sum it up, I extend my warmest greetings and wishes you happy Children's Day. In addition, let's celebrate this day with joy and fully appreciate the gift of childhood that has been given to us. However, let us also remember that the great responsibility that had given to us to make a better India. Thank you.
ಗಾಯಿತನಾಡ ಸಾರೆ ಬಂದು ಸುದ್ದಿಯ ಹೇಗಿದ ಕಲ್ಲೆ ಕೊರೆ ಅಟ್ಟಿಯೋ ನಿನ್ನ ಕಂಡೆ ಎಂದ ಸೋಲೆಗಾಯಿತನಾಡ ಸಾರೆ ಬಂದು ಸುದ್ದಿಯ ಹೇಗಿದ ಕಲ್ಲೆ ಕೊರೆ ಅಟ್ಟಿಯೋ ನಿನ್ನ ಕಂಡೆ ಎಂದ ಸಿರಿಯ ಉಣಾವು ಸಿಂಗಾರ ತೋಟ ಮುರಿಯ ಕುನ್ನಿಗ ಸಂತೋಷ ನೋಟ ಸಿರಿಯ ಉಣಾವು ಸಿಂಗಾರ ತೋಟ ಮುರಿಯ ಕುನ್ನಿಗ ಸಂತೋಷ ನೋಟ ಸೋಲೆಗಾಯಿ ತನ್ನಾಡ ಸಾರೆ ಬಂದು ಸುದ್ದಿಯ ಹೇಗಿದ ಕಲ್ಲ ಕೊರೆ ಅಟ್ಟಿಯೋ ನಿನ್ನ ಕಂಡೆ ಎಂದ
ಬಾಬಾ ನಿನ್ನ ಬಂದನ ಎಂದು ಕೇರಿ ಮನೆಯೆಲ್ಲ ಓಡಿಯಾವಲೇ ಮಂಡೆದಡೆ ಕೋದಿಯೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾತ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಕಳೆ
ಸಿಲ್ಲಾಡ ದಾರಿಯೋ ಅಂದು ನೀ ಮಂಡ ಮೇಲೆ ಒರೆಯ ಎತ್ತಿ ಓಪನೆ ಮಲ್ಲಾಡು ಮೇಯು ಸೇವನೆ ಉಂಡೆ ಸೇಲೆ ತೊಪ್ಪೆಯಾಗಿ ಬಪ್ಪನೆ ಸಿಲ್ಲಾಡ ದಾರಿಯೋ ಅಂದು ನೀ ಮಂಡ ಮೇಲೆ ಒರೆಯ ಎತ್ತಿ ಓಪನೆ ಮಲ್ಲಾಡು ಮೇಯು ಸೇವನೆ ಉಂಡೆ ಸೇಲೆ ತೊಪ್ಪೆಯಾಗಿ ಬಪ್ಪನೆ ಮುಂದೆಯೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಚ್ಚ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ನೀ ಓಡಿದ ಅದುನಗೇನ ಎನ್ನ ನೆಂಜುನಗೆ ಮುಂದೆಯೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಚ್ಚ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ನೀ ಓಡಿದ ಅದುನಗೇನ ಎನ್ನ ನೆಂಜುನಗೆ ನಾನೀಗ ಒತ್ತಾಸೆಗ ಬನ್ನ ಎಂಬನೆ ಓಡಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಊಮೊರನ ಉಣುತು ನಿಬ್ಬನೆ ನಾನೀಗ ಒತ್ತಾಸೆಗ ಬನ್ನ ಎಂಬನೆ ಓಡಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಊಮೊರನ ಉಣುತು ನಿಬ್ಬನೆ
पुरुषोत्तम परमात्मा श्री भगवती समेत श्री भगवते नमः ॐ सच्चिदानन्द परब्रह्मा पुरुषोत्तम परमात्मा श्री भगवती समेत श्री भगवते नमः
Hari Om. My name is V. Lakshika from class 7. Today I am here to share some thoughts on Diwali. Diwali is one of India's biggest and main festival. The meaning of Diwali is rows of lighted lamps. This festival is the festival of lights. Hindus celebrate it with very much joy. In this festival, people light up their houses with diyas. People worship Lord Ganesha and Goddess Lakshmi for wealth and wisdom. Diwali is most likely the brightest festival in the world. People of various regions celebrate Diwali. Most significant that this festival signifies the victory of light over darkness. This also indicates the victory of good over evil and knowledge over ignorance. There are bright lights all over the whole country during Diwali. After he defeated Ravana, the Ashur king of Lanka, so every year on this day we celebrate it as a symbol of goodness. The Lord Rama with his wife Sita and younger brother Lakshman came back to Ayodhya. They spent 14 years of exile in the forest. The folks of Ayodhya expressed their affection and attachment to their king by heartfelt welcome. They lighted up their houses and the whole state with light. In this way they welcomed Raja Rama. There is another popular custom of the season of Diwali. Here Lord Vishnu as an avatar of Krishna killed Narakasura. Narakasura was a demon. Above all this, victory took the release of 16,000 captive girls. Moreover, this victory is an indication of the victory of good over evil. This is because of Lord Krishna being good and Narakasura being evil. Association of Diwali to goodness Lakshmi is the faith of many Hindus. Lakshmi is the goddess of wealth and prosperity. According to a legend, Diwali is the night of Lakshmi's marriage. In eastern India, Hindus relate Diwali with goddess Durga or Kali. Some Hindus have faith in Diwali to be the start of New Year. Thank you.
पुरुषोत्तम परमात्मा श्री भगवती समेत श्री भगवते नमः ॐ सच्चिदानन्द परब्रह्मा पुरुषोत्तम परमात्मा श्री भगवती समेत श्री भगवते नमः
Children, we were ruled by the Britishers for over 300 years, and to win back our freedom, there were so many patriots who laid down their lives to become martyrs. For them, the country was greater than anything, including their lives. In the freedom struggle, we came across so many, both men and women, from all parts of the country to offer anything and everything to see that we have a flag of our own. As a tribute to those great souls, we, the teachers, enact you a story of a brave lady from Assam, Bogeshwari Pukanani, who sacrificed her own life, not allowing the police to ill-treat our country's flag. Here we present Freedom is Not Free.
A day in September 1942 at Berhampur, Assam.
How long can I wait to see a free India? This British rule is suffocating all of us. When will we see our tricolour flag flying majestically? I am longing for it. Bogeshwari! Bogeshwari! Did you come to know? What happened?
Our Indian National Congress office at Berhampur was seized and closed by the British authorities.
What are you saying?
Yes, it is seized and closed.
Oh no! That was the place we used to meet and discuss on. It is a big blow. We must retrieve it. I must lead a march to regain it. We must mobilize some freedom fighters.
Yes, we must do it. Vande Mataram!
Vande Mataram!
Vande Mataram!
Vande Mataram!
What is the news, man?
Sir, I heard one Mrs. Bogeshwari from Berhampur is going to lead a rally to free the Indian National Congress office that we seized and locked, sir.
When are they planning?
Sorry, sir, I have no idea.
Get to know first.
Sure, sir.
On the day of the rally,
Vande Mataram!
Vande Mataram!
Vande Mataram!
Vande Mataram!
Vande Mataram!
Vande Mataram!
Bharat Mata ki
Jai!
Vande Mataram!
Vande Mataram!
Vande Mataram!
Vande Mataram!
Stop!
Open the gate. We want to get in. The office is ours.
Sir, they were using it only as their meeting point.
Open it.
Okay, sir.
Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram! Bharat Mata ki Jai! A great victory indeed. We all must celebrate. We have shown to those Britishers what we can do if we all join our hands. We can do it. The days are not far off. Seeing our country free from the hands of the Britishers. Yes, we must celebrate.
Vande Mataram!
Vande Mataram!
Vande Mataram!
Vande Mataram!
Bharat Mata ki
Jai!
retrieval of the Congress office to both Bogeshwari and her friend and the team was a big moral victory. And in order to celebrate in a grand way, they start mobilizing villagers and the like-minded people around to teach British a big lesson. As they are mobilizing the resources and the villages, and as the things proceed further, the final day comes where the celebrations begin in a big rally.
Vande Mataram!
Vande Mataram!
Bharat Mata ki
Jai!
Vande Mataram!
Vande Mataram!
Stop!
Bharat Mata ki
Jai!
Bharat Mata ki
Jai!
Stop!
You insulted our country flag!
How dare you!
live anymore. I hit him because he insulted our flag. But I am happy that I have done my duty.
Bhogeshwari!
Please don't cry, my dear friends. Work harder to see a free and united India.
Bhogeshwari! Bharat Mata ki Jai! Bharat Mata ki Jai! Bharat Mata ki Jai!
Dear children, hope you are also all aware of Tirupur Kumaran, the patriot who died of lathi charge when he was trying to hold on our national flag in one of the rallies. Here, you have witnessed the sacrifice of Bhogeshwari, which we hope will not go waste in protecting the dignity of our country by you when situation demands. Jai Hind!
To all of us at Sachidananda, no news is sweeter than the day we see you all in school, smiling and greeting, reminding that our school comes alive only when you children join us to celebrate the great event called life. Happy Children's Day and safe Diwali. Thank you.
Happy Children's Day and safe Diwali.